Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. What I have today is how to share with you on how to fix your elastic band to your sleeve. As you can see right here, this is one, and I hope you will find this interesting. Just take your time and watch this video to the end. I feel it is very important, although this one is being made for someone else, not for my size. But I just feel that it will be helpful for you if I share with you in this video. And that is the essence why I brought this to show you how to easily fix your elastic band to the base of your sleeve. So right now, let's get started. Now, the width, you before you start working on this, you need to consider the circumference of the sleeve itself. So whatever it gives you, if for instance the circumference gives you 16 inches, like in this case it's like 15 inches. So the fabric you're going to cut, the length of the fabric you're going to cut is going to be 16 inches. Now, if I measure this, you see that it's approximately 16 inches or exactly. Now you can see I have like a 16 and a half inches, which is still okay by me because I'll have to hem it. I'll have to stitch it together. So I will use like 0.5 to do that. So right now, the width also, you need to consider the width of the fabric going to use for the elastic band. Now it depends on how wide your elastic is. Now I have in this case the width of this elastic is just 1 inch. So because this is 1 inch, so it's going to be 1 plus 1, that is 2, then plus 0.5 inches to fold it together, 1 and 1, 0.5, 0.5, which is 1. So that one plus the 2 inches, because this will have to be folded. The fabric I'm going to insert will have to be folded. That is why it is 2 inches plus the half an inch, that is 3. So that is why I went ahead and make this the width of this fabric of my fabric elastic band to be 3 inches wide, as you can see right here. So right now we're going to start. Now you're going to check which is the right side or the wrong side, because we'll be working. So here, this one, in this case, this is the right side. Why this is the wrong side? So I'm going to fold it right side. That is, the right side is inside, while the wrong side is here. So let me quickly mark that so that you know what I'm trying to pass across. So this one marks the wrong side. So it is this is how I'm going to place it. Okay. So I make sure that it is equal as I place it, like you can see is equal. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to run a stitch with 0.5 distance inward. I run a stitch, and in the process of me running a stitch, before I even do that, as I have it folded into 2 equal parts, as you can see right here, I'm going to refold it like this. I just want to determine the midpoint. That's the essence of me refolding it like this here. So you can see it's equal here. So I'm going to mark it, the center, the midpoint. I'm going to mark it. So as I mark it this way, so right now, as I run my stitch from this edge down to this place, then I'm going to place my elastic exactly on this line, like this. Sorry, like this. Okay, and you see the way I place it on that line, not above and not below. Okay, just exactly on that line. Can you see? So as I run the stitch, I will also go ahead and place it like this. I'm going to place it like this. Can you see the way I'm holding the elastic? I'm going to place it like this so that it will give me this circle shape. It will give this circle shape. So I'm going to overlap this to this because I'm going to run a stitch on it so that it will fix like this. So I will run a stitch, then inward like this till I finish running the stitch to the edge. So that's the next thing I'm going to do right now. I'll be right back to show you. So as you can see right here, I've stitched it. Can you see? I run a stitch from this edge here inward, as you can see, across this elastic, then I came out like this. So this is how it's going to stand with this circle shape. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to open this and I turn it inside out. So I'm going to turn it in like this. Can you see? So I turn it, then at the base here with that 0.5 I'm going to run a stitch across. As I'm running the stitch, I will be pulling this elastic to match it at the end of the day. So I'm going to continue like this. So by the time I come back, then I will show it to you. All right, as you can see, I've stitched it. I've sealed the elastic to the fabric. This is what I have. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is to sew it to the sleeve. That's the next thing, to the base of the sleeve. Sew it round, and that is all. So as you can see right here, I've finished sewing it round the base of the sleeve. This is what I have at the end of the day. Can you see how beautiful and neat this is? Okay, this is very lovely, and I hope you love this also. Here is the excess. The only thing I need to do is just to weave it round, then everything is perfect. Here is it. Though it's not for me, it's for someone else. I believe you like this. This is very nice. See? And neat. So you don't need to stress yourself. By the time you want to pull out, it will just, you see, very, very easy. Now, I want to really appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you very, very much. If you have any comments, please kindly drop your comments in the comment section. And if you have any question, feel free to drop your question as well. Lest I forget, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do that now. Just click on the subscribe button below, and you also hit on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release as I release new videos. Thank you very, very much. So till I come your way again, bye for now.